Hi everyone, today we're going to introduce audio channel mapping on Kommander. When hardware supports it, such as by adding a sound card, you can output the audio of multiple videos to different amplifiers independently, achieving separate audio outputs for each video. To configure this, go to Settings, System Audio. For multi-channel audio, select multi-tone and then bind your sound card. For channels, set it according to your needs, usually default is fine. In the canvas, select the layer you want to configure. Parameters, track mapping on the right. Choose the output channel you want to bind. If you need to customize the track, click here where you'll see a matrix. The left side shows input. The top shows output. In our case, we have a 6-channel sound card, so 6 channels are available. Select the appropriate cells in the matrix to map input channels to specific output channels. For example, channels 1 and 2 for headphones, channels 3 and 4 for speakers, channels 5 and 6 for the mixer. To output channels 1 and 2 to the headphones, select here. Map 3 and 4 to the mixer. 5 and 6 to both the mixer and speakers. If you want to set channel mapping for another video, select the video and bind the required sound card on the right, following the same steps. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.